love that. Have you ever...
Worst Star Tour recording I've ever seen in my life.
It is. That was pretty bad, huh? All right. So
yeah, it's that time again.
You know, I never actually once used night flares.
The marine dropship went down beyond the...
Just use a flare.
Well, the flares would light up the room really well. Yeah.
Bot.
Oh, let's get rid of this one and use this one.
Yeah.
Because I still want my shotgun. I love my...
Shotty Bugatti.
I woke up in a Bugatti. Now where the hell are we?
We're getting further underground.
Every day we stray further from God's light.
Do you remember the very first scene in this game where it
Squeak!
in this game where when he was looking at that ancient door and asking how old it might be? Our final destination of this game is there.
Final destination, yes.
Woo! You just yeeted at me. Actually, I should stop.
Quick scoping that you're doing is like fucking on point.
I'm no scoping him.
Here we go with it again.
Oh my, his head got buried in the fucking
He's
ground.
an ostrich now.
He's a fucking ostrich.
What the fuck? The aliens are on it too.
Oh my god. Did you see him come from behind the wall? Run!
They're turkeys now.
Gotta re-impersonate that. Just like you're just chilling out and you see your ex.
It's the newest read.
Fuck, dude.
Wayland's team must have been studying the
Oh
ruins.
my lord, what the
Stay
hell
vigilant.
is happening?
The company may have stationed androids nearby.
Android.
Oh, so yeah, they're like I said, like our main objective right now is to go to that door.
Well, we're here. All
Okay,
right.
where's the M-A-R-T, Mart?
Why is Mart the fucking password?
Hold on. I'm trying to figure this out.
You don't!
But there's got to be some sort of game theory behind it.
Oh fuck, hi.
Wow, he died.
Climb.
Oh.
Get back.
Wow! Flying aliens!
You thought I was an alien? No. I'm a flying squirrel. Oh my lord.
That was so dumb. Oh god, this game is amazing.
Okay, ready for this? You.
you.
No, you.
No, you.
Oh no. Whoa!
Oh, God.
Whoa!
Wowee.
Wait, predator! I'm afraid. Oh wait, they're not predators.
There's the answers.
You know, just get jiggy with it there.
Those are illegal, you know.
No!
You really tried, didn't you?
A little. Yeah. I wanted to go up right into his face and shotgun it.
But hello, sir. Would you like an offer? Free sample? Jake, it really doesn't work that way.
Got his
Blow
head.
his head off?
Yeah, got his head. See?
Shoot the lid.
Wow. Nice shot.
Got his head.
Would you like a free sample?
Wow.
Hey there.
Fucking idiot.
It's a bot.
You know what my favorite part about that actually is?
What?
It's just like, so he's shooting, but what does he know he's shooting at? He lost his fucking head.
Beats the hell out of me. Charlie.
Sensors?
Oh,
Wow,
I
nice
missed
one.
that
You
opportunity.
Totally missed that opportunity.
Mm.
What's up, bitch? Nice.
What the? Whoa.
Okay.
Zappity zap zap.
Nice. Oh boy.
Going around to. Oh shit.
He's got resurrected from God.
Goddamn reload. Oh,
Oh! He sniped me!
Oh
He's
my
got fucking
Ah.
no scope.
Dance Dance Revolution.
Oh shit. Damn boy, that fucking aggro. Alright. Top of the stairs.
Oh,
Nice.
Did I get him? No! You boys supposed to die!
Rip.
These are tin cans, man.
Oh, that was the electrical shot they got before. It's their bodies.
Hello. Dumbass. What? He just moved around without a fucking head.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, here he goes. Wait for it.
Left.
Wow, we got sniped again.
I'm an idiot. Let me just take this.
Well, you're not wrong.
Thanks, friend.
Oh, you're welcome, buddy.
What's up, friend? You ready to die?
Jake, I thought you were gonna take this.
No! I lied. I'm sorry. It's just who I am.
I
It defies who I am. Where'd you get that from? I heard it on TV.
I love that movie so
That movie was
goddamn
very, very
much.
good.
I can't wait to watch it again in camcorder HD.
Sorry, what?
On like a camcorder, but HD.
Yeah, that's.
So, wait, so it's in JD then? For those of you who do not know JD, that means Jewish definition. Everything's blue.
This my shit.
60.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god, that corpse launch! Holy shit!
I believe
Oh,
I
there he
can
is.
fly.
Holy
That corpse
crap.
launch
That
was the best, right?
ridiculous.
I just yeeted that guy across the room.
Oh, do you have any more grenades?
No.
I know.
Oh.
Thanks for paying attention, Cameron.
Oh my god.
Oh, right here.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm
You had
there.
it before.
Climb again. There you go.
Wow, the climbing animations are fucking terrible.
Whoop.
Thank God, checkpoint.
Fantastic timing, Private. Bugs, androids, invisible snipers. Welcome to the fucking core.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah.
What, is that a minigun?
No. That's the smart
Boy.
gun, right?
The what?
That's the smart gun, right?
I have no idea.
Be careful.
Holy fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, daddy.
The iconic weapon.
I guess you know, I never really watched any of the movies or anything like that, so you guys would probably know more than I would.
Who you are.
I think it was called the smart gun. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Fill it up!
Those are my pigs. Roll Crash return! Up the stairs? Nope, not up the stairs.
Was that movement?
I don't know.
gonna say, whoa! Can't die on me!
Dropping back.
Oh, he's already dead.
Damn, boy. That looks so cool, though.
Whoa! Okay.
I do like the game for its graphics wise. It's
Yeah,
really
it's
cool.
really nice.
Very nice. Please.
Don't relax just yet, Marines.
Well, just Marine.
Yeah, Butterboy's dead.
Every time I go someplace, it seems like all the guys are dying, but you're the only one here.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it for right there. Oh, it's on out. Oh, it would have done a lot more shit, but it didn't keep on dying every.
Yeah,
But those
that would've been
ragdoll physics.
That corpse launch was fucking
Actually, no,
godlike.
actually, let's keep on going. We'll just edit around those parts.
Okay. Shoot that A.
Moving on.
What do we got here?
It's another drum.
Whoa.
Was that movement?
I don't know. Why don't you open your eyes once in a while, you dumbass?
Was that a clue? Clues.
You fucking see a little paw print on one of the amphibians.
Was that movement?
Oh, you fell into a grave. Cool. Oh.
Fucking aliens on this fucking planet.
Burn yourself.
I say burn yourself and kill yourself and molest yourself?
And do yourself?
Oh, damn right, it is this kind of... Fucking auto aim. Oh, I have no more ammo.
Oh, uh-oh.
I have no more
I
ammo.
was just going back to your shotgun.
I don't have those
Oh,
right
wait.
now.
Oh,
We're
shit.
gonna die. Oh. Nice.
That boy acted like fucking Rambo. You gotta get ammo.
Don't keep moving. Get to the dropship.
Well, first I wanted to do that shit.
I went though. Ain't gonna put shit on. I'm an alien. I shot and killed many aliens.
Does he have a cigar in his mouth?
No, that's how he talks in Rocky.
Whoa,
Oh, you're talking about
well, you have to kind of like drop one side of your
That's
jaw.
how he did like this. Alright.
Nailed it.
The way how Jim Carrey did it was great. Because he was playing as Rocky and it was like, nah, it's okay, I got this. And when he put the gum guard in his mouth, he's like, yeah.
I can't wait for in Creed 2. You ever watch Creed 1?
No, I
First
haven't
Creed?
seen it yet.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Is it really that good?
I know Rocky's never really known for his acting wise.
But I hear that one. is
He's
like-
a really good
like
actor in
one
that
of his,
one.
one of his best movies.
Because he's known as Rocky and he's still Rocky in that.
Oh, hi there.
Why you killed her?
No, I didn't!
Oh, now she died. Fucking imbecile.
Jake. Good.
Oh God.
Are you
Oh
okay?
my God.
Jesus.
Activated coffee mode.
The Chick-fil-A is kicking in.
Oh my God. Her head got fucking squished like a fucking grapefruit.
Jake, if you ever kill somebody, please don't laugh like that. Jesus Christ.
Like that?
You sound like a male version of your Dure. I don't even know anymore.
Who?
I'm more.
I don't even know.
Is it kicking? Hey, Andy, who are you?
Did he just say hey and just
Hey.
yeet it out of there?
Yeah, this is a...
Okay, bye.
He's gonna die. I'm gonna watch him fucking die. Oh, look. He died. Awesome.
I wasted a grenade.
Well, where is he? Where's the other guy? Can we go find him?
Where'd he go?
He got taken.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
When did he get back in here, Marine? And why am I so short? Oh, never mind.
Dumbass.
Alright, let's end it right there.
Okay.
Why am I so short?
Alright, I've been real short Jake.
I've been tall Kyla.
Perfect sexy dad.
I was going for medium Dan.
Medium size.
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Good night, everyone.